Yeah, coming to the today's class, what we are dealing and what we are starting the classes. Okay. First of all, here everyone are completely new to the Salesforce. Okay, so here anyone know about Salesforce before coming to these classes? Anyone knows? No issues.
No.
Okay. Okay, no issues. I'll try to convey what is the exact advantage of Salesforce, what is the use of Salesforce, why you need to learn Salesforce. Okay, what are the job scope of Salesforce? Okay, so what are the advantages as comparing to other technologies? Okay, how the client will be benefited, how the customer will be benefited if they use the Salesforce. Everything I'll try to convey in today's class. Okay, everything I'll try to convey in today's class. Okay. First of all, I'm sharing my screen. Okay, is my screen is visible to everyone? Paint I shared. Okay, so first of all, I'm saying again, kindly please interact in the class. If you have any doubts, I've been happy to help you everyone. Okay, so first of all, I want to ask you some question. Okay, so what is the difference between? So we have a different types of applications, like on-premise applications, and also we have on-demand applications. Okay, these are the different types of applications. What are the on-premise applications? Coming to the on-premise applications, we have a Java and we have a PHP, and we have a .NET. These are nothing but on-premise applications. Okay. Hello.
Hi Venkat, I'm very new to IT. I did my graduation in commerce, so I want to know what is this on-premise applications.
In questions. Okay. Like I'm from Reka, you are from which background?
Commerce.
And I'm saying again, you are from any background, no matters. Okay. So you are from any background, you are from commerce background, or you are from even so you are from medical background also. Okay, at least you need some degree. That's it. Okay, you're from any background, no matters here. Okay, like if you interested and if you want to consult, if you practice each and every classes, it's enough. It will not matters because the things are very easy. Okay, I'll make the things clear. Okay, you need to practice and you need to follow up whatever I told. That's it. That is the thing. I want to convey to everyone. Everyone need to follow the same thing. You're from any background, no matters. Okay, I'll discuss every doubts. Please wait. Okay, first of all, let me try to give some introduction on Salesforce. Okay, anyone know about on-premise applications? These are on-premise applications. Anyone know about on-demand applications? What are the on-demand applications available? Like we have a Salesforce, AWS, GCP. These are the different types of on-demand applications. On-demand applications are nothing but a cloud applications. Okay, coming to on-premise applications. Okay, you need to install the software. Okay, here we need to install the software and we need to use it in your laptops, whatever it may. But coming to on-demand application. Okay, here if you have a browser and internet connection, it's enough. If you have a browser and internet connection, you can develop the applications easily. Okay, browser and internet. Okay, that's it. Okay, just if you have Google Chrome or Internet Explorer, anything, no matters. Okay. Okay, if you have a browser and internet connection, just you can log into that particular account and you can create any of the applications easily. Okay, you can create any of the applications easily. Okay, what is a Salesforce? What is a Salesforce first of all? Anyone know about anything about Salesforce here? What is Salesforce? What is Salesforce? Salesforce is nothing but a cloud technology. Okay, Salesforce is nothing but a cloud technology. Okay, Salesforce is nothing but a cloud technology. It's a CRM tool. It's a CRM tool. I'm saying again, it's a CRM tool. Okay. CRM is nothing but a customer relationship management. Okay, relationship between the customer and clients. Okay, customer and clients. And coming to the Salesforce, what is Salesforce? Okay, what is Salesforce? Coming to the Salesforce, okay, so I think you can observe present nowadays, not in past and future also. Okay, so previously Salesforce has been started in 1999. Okay, with 3 people. Okay, it has been elaborated with 73,000 plus people presently. Okay, and also 1,50,000 plus companies are been 1,50,000 plus companies are been elaborated with Salesforce. Srinivas, can you please unmute your mic? Okay, 1,50,000 plus companies have been partnered to Salesforce. Okay, 1,50,000 plus companies. Even you can observe either MNC companies, either product-based companies, either startup companies. Every company is using Salesforce. Every company, mostly. Every company is using Salesforce. Every company is using Salesforce. Okay, every company is using Salesforce. Even MNC company, startup company, and product-based company. Okay, so every company is using Salesforce. Every company is using Salesforce. Either you can deal with any of the company, they are dealing with Salesforce. Why they are dealing with Salesforce? So we have a Java, .NET, other technologies also. Why they are dealing? Why the client is dealing with Salesforce? Okay, why the client is dealing with Salesforce? I'll tell you. For example, if you take a Java, okay, if you take a Java, okay, like so the client needs to invest for the back and they need to develop using Java. Okay, the client needs to invest 10 lakhs. And again, they need to design a front-end UI. Okay, for this, the client needs to invest for React.js. Again, they need to recruit the developer, React.js or AngularJS developer, and they need to invest 6 to 7 lakhs on this. Normal invest estimation. Okay, and again for the database. Okay, so they will use different types of clouds here, AWS something. Okay, array something, etc. Oracle. Okay, again they need to invest some money, like 15 lakhs estimation. And again for cloud, okay, for deploying this particular information. Okay, they need some clouds. Okay, like AWS, GCP, etc. Again, they need to invest 10 lakhs. And also, for example, if you got any upgrades, okay, regular upgrades will get. Okay, they need to invest on the regular upgrades also. Okay, they need to spend money on regular upgrades also. Spend money. Okay, on regular upgrades also. They need to spend money on regular upgrades also. Okay, they need to spend money on regular upgrades also. Okay, and so first of all, coming to Java, okay, they need to invest this much of money, whatever it may be. Okay, approximately they need to spend. Also, for example, at starting initial stages, if they want to buy any softwares, okay, they need to spend money. Okay, if client budget will be increased or not, if client budget will be increased or not, if client budget will be increased or not.
Yes,
Hello.
it will.
Definitely the client budget will be increased. Why? Because they need to invest on the back end, and also they need to invest on the front end, and also they need to invest on the database, and they need to invest on the cloud. For example, the same thing if they applied using Salesforce. Okay, and also they use it to take 5 to 6 years. Definitely mostly 5 to 6 years to develop the project, whatever it is. The same thing if you want to applicable. Either for example, it's a banking project. The same thing if you want to applicable in Salesforce. Okay, the same thing you want applicable. Coming to database, no need of database, Salesforce will handle. Okay, Salesforce will handle this. And coming to clouds, no need of deployment, everything is being handled by Salesforce only. Okay, no need of AWS, anything, everything will be handled by Salesforce only. And for example, front end also by using LWC, Salesforce only will handle. Salesforce only will handle. And coming to the logic, okay, development, okay, backend. okay, can be implemented by using Apex programming. Okay, it is also dealt by Salesforce only. No other. Okay, everything, and also the project also developed in 2 to 3 years, because mostly everything is been available in the Salesforce that you can use that particular things, whatever it may be. So it's very easy for the people. Okay, it's very easy for the client. It's very easy. Okay, so so only 50% of coding and 50% of configuration. 50% of coding and 50% of configuration. Okay, it's very easy. That's why each and every client. And also, for example, okay, for Java, if they take 25 to 30 lakhs, the same application will be developed in less than in 2 to 3 years with less budget, 10 to 11 lakhs. And also there is no upgrades. Everything is been managed from the okay, everything will be managed from the Salesforce only. Everything will be managed from the Salesforce. And there is no software installation. Everything will be managed from the Salesforce. Okay, which thing will client will prefer? For Salesforce or Java? That's why only nowadays everyone is preferring. Okay, instead of these languages, for example, okay, to store all this information, whatever it may be, customers again we need clouds, again we need to invest some amount. That's why nowadays, okay, every company is preferring the Salesforce. Okay, Salesforce has a huge advantages, and also it's a customer interactivity. Okay, it's a customer interactivity, and you can see the job market also. Okay, and also among other CRMs, there are 22% of market share to the Salesforce. Okay, and also you can observe like 31.8 billion according to the 2023. 31.8 billion is been occupied by the Salesforce. And another thing is, okay, definitely in 2026, 14 million new jobs will be created. Okay, so now it is increasing. I think you can observe in the pandemic situation also. In the pandemic situation also, there are huge falls for Salesforce. Okay, so I think okay, for freshers also there are vacancies. There are vacancies. There are vacancies in Salesforce. Okay, for freshers also, and freshers and experienced, everyone there is a vacancies. Okay, so this is about some information, and let's see the customer success stories of Salesforce. Everyone able to see my screen? Everyone able to see my screen? There are different types of industries are using Salesforce, like automotive. Every industry, not only specifically educational platforms, financial services. Okay, different types. Okay. Okay, Toyota, I think Mahindra, everyone knows. And also White Hat. This is nothing but educational platform. Okay. And Simplyland is also educational platform. Okay, these are the different things. And also media and entertainment. Okay, you can observe everywhere. AHA, everyone know AHA? AHA is also using Salesforce. Transportation. Okay, I think in the transportation you can observe different things like Redbus. Everyone know Redbus? Redbus is also using Salesforce. Yeah, like healthcare. You can observe healthcare. I think these are the common application in our day-to-day real-time applications, whatever it may be using. These are all the applications which have been built using Salesforce. Okay, these are the applications which are built using Salesforce. Spotify, it's an entertainment platform. They like this, and you can take a government sectors also. And Flame University, it is a university educational platform. Okay, like this, multiple applications have been built using Salesforce. Okay, and also good, okay, like good feedback from each and every, customers or whatever it may be. Definitely, there is a good feedback for the Salesforce. Okay. Yeah. Any doubts on the Salesforce? Any doubts on the Salesforce platform, whatever it may be introduced? Any doubts?
No.
Okay, fine, John. Okay, just normally, I give an introduction to the Salesforce platform. Okay, so what we'll teach in the coming classes. Okay, what we'll teach in the coming classes. Okay, how the things are used to be, how I can share the interview questions. Okay, like how I can interact in the class. What are the projects we'll deal in the class? Everything let me try to discuss now. Okay, everything let me try to discuss now. Coming to the Salesforce, Salesforce is divided into 3 platforms. One is Salesforce admin. Okay, another is Salesforce development. Okay, another is Salesforce LWC. Okay, and we have integration also. It is a common thing. Okay, so we have 4 platforms. First of all, okay, so everything, whatever I'm teaching, it's a project-oriented training. Okay, project-oriented training, and also I'll provide recordings, every day-to-day recordings. And also I'll provide the notes. Okay, for each and every class. And also I'll provide the interview questions. For every topic, whatever it may be discussed, I'll give the interview questions also. Okay, and also the project, whatever it may be after completion of the class. If you need resumes, I'll give the resumes also. I have some resumes. Okay, the people who are selected, my students who are selected with high packages. Okay, with high packages. I have the resumes. I'll share that particular resumes also. You can modify it based on according to your address, details, whatever. Okay. Okay, like how we can teach the classes. First of all, I'll start with Salesforce admin. Okay, so for example, if you open HDFC application, okay, for example, if you open HDFC application is also designed using Salesforce. Okay, for example, this client has been approached you. Okay, first of all, you need to create an application, app. Okay, it's like a basics. First of all, I'll discuss some basics. Okay, before going to, so without discussing any basics, okay, without introducing any platform, it's not possible to discuss all the things. First of all, I'll discuss about basics of Salesforce. Okay, how you need to register your account. How you need to register it. Free account in Salesforce. I'm saying account, it is a free account, not a paid account. We can use it. Okay. And you need to how to create an application, how to create objects, how to create a fields, how to create a data types, page layouts. These are the coming classes I'll discuss. Okay, so for our recruitment application, whatever it is. Okay. So what is page layout? Okay, what is page layout? I think you can observe, like whenever you open any hospital management or whatever it may be. Everyone? Srinivas, can you please unmute your mic? Srinivas, please unmute your mic. If you have any doubts, means you can mute your mic and you can speak with me after completion of the class. Okay. I think you can observe, like whenever if you are dealing with any hospitality management or whatever it may be. So like they will ask you, okay, you are a like for example, you are dealing with banking. Okay, they will ask you are an NRI account or you are a person account or you are a saving account. Anyone observe this? And or you are a business account. Anyone observe this? Whenever you open any banking application or whatever it may be.
Yes.
Like this. So, how we can design all this? By using page layout. Okay. In coming classes for our recruitment, for our educational application, we try to design everything. Okay. Okay, and how to connect. Okay, for one object, another object, relationships. Okay, for example, you are dealing with, okay, I'm saying again, I'm not only dealing with only one application, I'm dealing with multiple applications. According to my experience, I have an experience in multiple Okay, multiple projects. I'll deal with multiple examples. Okay, so I think whenever you're dealing, for example, insurance or a banking. Okay, like your account have a multiple transactions. Okay, your account have a multiple transactions. Okay, like a multiple payments, multiple withdrawals. Okay, there are different things that been able to there. Like for example, if you take your account, okay, like there is a relationship in between account to transaction. They connected some relationship. How we need to deal with relationship? How many different types of relationships are there? How it is being used in the real time? Okay, there are different types of relationships are there, like master detail, lookup, hierarchical, and also we have a junction object, many to many, and one to many. Okay, these are the different things are there. How we need to deal? Okay, everything I'll deal in the coming classes. How we need to deal with your project? Either you are dealing with insurance project, okay, either you are dealing with banking project, either you are dealing with e-commerce project, either you are dealing with telecom project. Any project you can deal it easily. Okay. Okay, and I'll ask you some questions. After that, I'll start with a new concept, which is nothing but like whenever you went to project, also you'll go as like a step-by-step manner. First of all, you'll create an application, you'll create an object, you'll create a fields. Okay, after that, you'll create a relationship among each and every objects. After that, you'll apply some validation rules. Okay, what is validation rules? For example, if you open any application, okay, banking application or whatever it may be, you'll get some forms to fill all the data, whatever it may be. For example, you are interested to take some insurance. Okay, whatever it may be, they'll give some form. Okay, then in the website, some forms will be open. Your first name, last name, okay, your phone number, your email, and you click the submit button. Okay, so I'll ask you some question. This is your name. No, for example, you entered your number. It will accept or it will show that some error. Please enter your number or like that. Please respond, everyone. For example, inside your first name, if you entered your number, it will be accepted or it will be not accepted. Hello?
Not accepted.
Not accepted.
Definitely it will not accept because it is a string parameter. Okay, how we need to deal all this validation rule. Okay, how the customer knows, okay, it is a wrong parameter, then he'll get some error message. Based on that, he'll know. So there are different examples, different project-oriented examples I'll take. Okay. And after that, I'll deal with data management. For example, okay, like you are dealing with like telecom project, okay, you got so many leads. So many people are interested to take your products. Okay, take your products. Okay, you want to. Okay, that records are there in Excel sheet. Okay, how we can import and export the records from Salesforce to external system. Okay, let's deal with data management. Inside this, we have different tools. Okay, data loader, data import wizard. These are the different tools are there. Okay. After completion of this, I want to convey about anyone observed in the COVID situation. In the COVID situation, okay. So how many people got some positive? How many people got negative? Like this. How many people got positive? How many people got negative? Like this. We have some pie charts like that. Anyone observed? Anyone observed?
Yes.
Okay, I think, okay, for example, you are dealing with insurance project. Okay, how many people are paid premium? How many people does not pay premium? You want to know all these things, whatever it may be. Okay, so we'll use reports and dashboards concept, okay, to display some of the reports. Okay, in my previous classes, I designed some excellent reports. I'll show you. What are the things? Everything has a configuration. Everything I have. For our recruitment application, I designed this dashboard. Is it looks attractive? Like this I designed. Okay. In our future classes, I'll give you. Okay. Like we'll share this particular things to our website, whatever it may be. Just you'll download and you can share this information to your website. The same thing if you need to design in Java or whatever it may be, it's very too much difficult. The same thing if you want to implement in Salesforce, it may take some hours of time, hours or minutes of time. That's it. Okay, after that I'll discuss about email templates. Okay, anyone observed that like we'll get some emails regularly? I think you observe, like you'll get some emails, like whenever you registered an account or you are registered anything, whatever it may be, you'll get some email. Thank you for registering our details or whatever it may be. Okay, for example, you're dealing with your insurance project. Okay, you need some email templates. Either you're dealing with banking, insurance, e-commerce, everything. Okay, so we have some email templates. Okay, we have some email templates. Okay, let's see email templates also. Okay, and after that, I'll deal with. So data security. Data security plays a vital role because we have multiple clients are dealing with application. If multiple clients are dealing with application, they need some security. Without security, it's not possible to store your data. Okay, either you are dealing with banking, anything. Okay, so data security plays a vital role in interviews, and also it will play an important role in your projects. I'll discuss 6 to 7 days. Okay, so I'll give so many examples on this, so many practical scenarios on this. Okay, after completion of this, I'll discuss about data automation. There are different types of tools are there under data automation, like approval process, workflow, process builder, flows. Under the flows, we have screen flow, and we have record triggered flow. These are the different types of flows are there. And also we have auto launching flow. These are the different types of flows are there. I'll discuss this flows also in the coming classes. Okay, which is nothing but data automation. Okay, which is nothing but data automation. Okay, like in future classes. Okay, we'll create an email template by using data automation only. We'll send an email to that appropriate required person, whatever it may be. Okay, after completion of this, I'll start the Salesforce development. Okay, which is done using Apex programming. Okay, after completion of this, I'll deal with Salesforce integration. Okay, it is nothing but REST API. After completion of this, I'll design a front-end UI for our education, and also I'll deal with the Redbus application. Okay, front-end UI. I'll show you the front-end UI, whatever it will be. In future classes, I'll show you other things. Okay, I'm logging to the Salesforce. Okay, in tomorrow class, I'll show you how to log into the Salesforce, how you need to register your Salesforce, everything I'll show you. Okay, I created one Redbus application. Okay, so for India, Salesforce is using Redbus application, but in UK, there is no specific application for Redbus. That's why I'm creating one application. Okay, I'm creating one application. This is the application in future classes for LWC front-end UI design. Okay, just normal I'm showing you. Everything is a project-oriented practical training. Definitely, this training will give you a good help. Okay, and also you'll place all the things, whatever it may be. So, what are the things which we are dealing in the real time? Everything I'll deal with. Okay, everything. I think you can click on preview. See, everyone able to see? some application. Everyone able to see?
Yes.
Like this in future class I'll design. Okay, for example, you are an external people. You are an external people. Okay, I'm opening in incognito mode. Okay, it will come as like a registration and login and registration forms. See, no things are open. Whenever if you log in, okay, if you log in, okay, some login forms will become. For example, if you are not a member, you can change the logo also. It's your wish. Okay, you can put the client first name, last name, each and every information. Okay, and you can click on sign up, and you can immediately that particular website will be open. Yeah. Okay, just normally I'm giving some illustrations. Okay. Anyone have any doubts on the classes? Anyone have any
No.
doubts? Yeah, thank you, John. Yeah. What about other people? Anyone have any doubt? Asha, Veera, Ankit, Rekha, Naresh, Sukirti. Anyone have any doubts?
Yes, may I know what is LWC?
LWC is nothing but front-end UI. To create websites, we'll use a front-end UI. So first of all, we'll create a database by using administrator. Update for back-end logic will use development. And LWC is nothing but front-end UI, like creating a websites using Salesforce. It's very easy.
Okay, thank
So,
you.
okay.
Okay, what is the full form of LWC then?
Lightning Web Components.
You repeat?
Lightning Web Components.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Anyone have any doubts?